Oh, and thanks for joining me. Well, we're going to do something kind of unusual today, like usual. We're going to make a needle valve for a David Bradley Playtrack tractor. It's for the gasoline motor. I don't know what it's, Briggs & Stratton or Tecumseh or what, but it's not too difficult to make, I hope. We'll see. I got some 5/8 stock, and the handle on this thing measures, the little knurled handle is 1/2 inch. So that's the first thing we got to do. Turn my stock down to 1/2 inch. So I just touched off the surface there, and I got my lathe running full speed, which is not really fast enough for brass. But it's as fast as it'll go. I need to take out 62,000. Half inch. Now I've got a knurl right there for the, I'm going to make it like that. So I got a knurl right back here next to the chuck. Yeah, it'll be fine. Now I've got to turn it down to the thread diameter, which is 0.215. And this is 1232, I think. Got the tap right here. Or die, rather. 1232. Kind of an oddball thread. I need to turn it down to 0.214. Okay, this is 1/2 inch. Yeah. 0.5 minus 0.214 divided by 2 equals, I need to take it down 143 thousandths. Okay, got my dial reset to 0. Need to go 143 thousandths in. Okay, I got that down to 215 where it's supposed to be. And this has to be probably 1/8 inch, 0.124. It'll be about 45 thousandths further. Okay, I've set my compound angle just by eye. I put that bevel on the side of it like that, and this is parallel to the bed. And I know that's not dead on, not by any means, but there's going to be a lot of spring in this. I'm going to kind of have to shape that with a file anyway. I think it'll be okay. Okay, I'm putting it in back gear, out with the slowest speed because I got to stop that tap right up against the shoulder there. Probably use a little, yeah, WD-40 would probably be better, but let's try this. Okay, here it goes. Oh, I like it. Now all that's left is to cut it off. Well, there they are. Maybe not perfect, a little bit thicker on the head. Overall, pretty darn close, and I'm sure it'll work. Anyway, that about wraps it up for today. Thanks for joining me, and be sure and subscribe and ring that bell.